Welcome people, me there again. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. I have some things I want to talk to you about and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect. Alright, so first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person on the roof of a house and the person was throwing objects in a yard and are at a house. Someone told me that the person's behavior raises concerns among neighbors within a community. And I think that the person mentioned about police during the conversation of viewers and subscribers. But anyways, if you listen to the video carefully, you can hear when a person said the word she in the video. And in my point of view, the person who was on top of the roof of a house seems to be a person of a good amount of age. You see? Anyways, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, and I want to take a good look at this video and tell me what I think about this whole situation. Observe.
See it? Shall fling stone over the man yard. Shall fling stone over.
Now, why would someone do something like that, viewers and subscribers? That's a big question that I've been asked. You understand me? Yeah, why would someone do something like that? You know? Totally wrong. At no point should anyone be doing something like that, you know? Yeah, you know, we should all be good neighbors. So, me have to wonder if there is some form of mental health issue that might have somewhat contributed to that whole situation or what, because this don't look normal to me. You can let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another video. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen carefully to some things that a motorist said in this video. In the video, the motorist mentioned the ticket and the motorist mentioned police, and you can also hear harsh language in the video as well to viewers and subscribers. And so I say, yeah, so based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can let me know what you think, alright? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
The police want to give a ticket. See, look up. See him there? See it there? Every day I want to get a your ticket. Every day, see it there? Every day. Every day I come here and get a ticket, people. See it there? Every day, ticket after ticket. Ticket after ticket. Get a your the top, get ticket out here, yeah? Alright, one. Live, you know? Every day we get ticket out there, see it every day. Every day. Bro. See it. Every day we get ticket out there, so. Crazy.
Well, based on some things that the person said in the video, I think that the person is brave to even stop beside the police. You see? Yeah man, and if you look at the video, you can see a certain type of marking on the motor vehicle that are on a lot of taxis within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, if you look at the mirror in the video, you can see a certain type of marking on the motor vehicle that you can see on a lot of taxis within the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. So, you know, let's point out them things. You tell me what you think, my people. Another topic. Alright, now my people, listen to this. See? Because I got information that a teenage girl who is said to be about the age of 17 had been charged with murder, illegal possession of firearm, and larceny of a motor vehicle. It is alleged that the female stole a motor vehicle that belongs to a person who is said to be a chef. And allegedly, the female might be involved in the death of the person who is said to be a chef. See? Now, it is said that sometime within the month of September, that's the year 2022, the teenager, that's the girl, had some form of dispute with the man who is said to be the chef who died and who is said to be in his 30s. See? So, it is said that during the dispute or so forth, the teenage girl allegedly shot the man who is said to be a chef. See? Allegedly. Allegedly. See? Because a person innocent until proven guilty. Then allegedly it is said that the girl stole his motor vehicle and then fled the scene. See? So it is said that the person succumbed to his injury sometime after. I'm not sure how long after. It's about sometime after. See? So it is said that investigations led to the teenage girl's arrest. Right? Investigation somehow made the police them arrest her, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that she had been charged within the month of October the year 2022 and that she gave some form of statement or so forth, viewers and subscribers. But when I try to put one and two together now, see? Yeah, of course it is said that she is scheduled to appear before the court. But when I try to put together now, see? What kind of dispute the teenager had with the man? Allegedly it is said that she used a gun to shoot the man. So if she really and truly did have a gun, where she get the gun from? All them kind of things there. Who is that girl to that man who is said to be the chef that died? All of them things that I think about the people. I'm not pointing any fingers, I'm just saying. You see? Some of us I give the information as well me get them the people. Sounds away, but I saw it put out them the people. Rough, eh? Another topic now, my people. Now, I got information that a man who is said to be a person of interest in the murder of a police officer who goes by the name of Brian Martin was shot and killed by police in St. Andrew, Jamaica on Friday. So it is said that on Friday, that's the 28th of October, the year 2022, in St. Andrew, Jamaica, police officers or law enforcers was on a targeted operation in a community in St. Andrew, and they went to a house that was occupied by the person who had been shot and killed, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that when police officers or law enforcers reached the house, the cops were reportedly fired upon by the person who had been shot and killed by the police. So it is said that the police reportedly took actions or returned fire and he was hit. See, so it is said that he was taken to hospital and he was pronounced dead, viewers and subscribers. See, now it is also said, and I'm going to say allegedly, see, allegedly it is said that the person who died was deported from the United States of America on firearm and drug related charges, viewers and subscribers, and that the person was a person of interest for the shooting death of Constable Brian Martin. I think when you hear about that incident, they were happening in Frag City, my people. Next topic. Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica are looking for a man in Clarendon, Jamaica, who had been accused of raping a 14-year-old girl. Here the information when we get viewers and subscribers. It is said that police in Clarendon are searching for a man who had been accused of raping a 14-year-old girl. A picture had been brought to my attention, but you see, when it comes down to the word accused, you have to be very careful. You see me I say? You don't want to put the wrong thing out upon someone's face and name and so forth. But anyways, so allegedly, it is said that the child went to where the man lived to give something to the man, viewers and subscribers, because it is said that the man and the child living at the same yard but different houses or rooms. See, you don't know the thing set already, you know them type of yard settings there. So allegedly it is said that when the child went to give the man whatsoever the child allegedly was going to give the man, allegedly it is said that the man held on to the child and pulled the child into his house. It is alleged, alright? Allegedly it is said that the man did certain things while the child was in the house, viewers and subscribers. Certain things I don't want to explain. Allegedly it is said that he raped the child. You understand? And the child is said to be 14. Alright, so allegedly it is said that a person or persons arrived at a location that is somewhat close to the man's house, to the point where the man allegedly stopped doing whatsoever he was doing, and allegedly the child somehow got out of the house, viewers and subscribers, and the child told her mother certain things, and then at some point the whole situation had been reported to the police or put in the hands of the police. So now I get information that Clarendon police are searching for a man who had been accused of raping a 14-year-old girl, viewers and subscribers. Really and truly sad news to hear. Really sad, you see? I tell my people, big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.